Today's video is a 2-minute tip, and I want to say this. It's intended to save you some money. And nowadays, well, that's incredibly important. Have you been to the gas station lately? So why don't we, well, let's just save you a little money and just jump right into it. So if you've got decking, or you've got lawn furniture, or deck furniture, or fencing that's accumulated algae and mold and that gray-brown gunk that you know you got to take care of during spring cleaning, and you're thinking, well, just, pull out the pressure washer and, take the afternoon to do it. And those things are a lot of hassle. I've used pressure washers around the ugly house, and they do a really great, thorough, perfect job. Oh my goodness, but they're a lot of work. Or you may be thinking, you know what? I'm gonna hop in the car, I'm gonna go up to the hardware store or big box store, and I'm gonna purchase that 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. I'll just spray it, and it does a pretty good job, and be done with it. But I wanna tell you this, I said I was gonna save you money. I'm gonna do it with this right here. Now, what is this? Well, this is 2.5 gallons of something called sodium hypochlorite. It's better known as, well, chlorine. It's the same main active ingredient, that's right, that you'll find in 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. But the difference is this, and it's big. Number one, that cleaner at the big box store for 2.5 gallons, it's gonna cost you $29.98. Now for pool chlorine, that's what this is, I paid $8.73. So the price, there's a big price difference, but more than that, it's not as strong. Pool chlorine has 12.5% of sodium hypochlorite. And well, 30 seconds outdoor cleaner, you're looking at between 4 and 6. I'm gonna show you how I make my own fence and decking and furniture cleaner in less than a minute. You get great results. It's gonna cost you a lot less money. So let me show you how I make my cleaner. All right, this is how you make the solution. It's 1 part water to 1 part sodium hypochlorite. I put in a splash of dish detergent because that's gonna help it adhere to the surface that's being cleaned. And at the end of the day, because it's being diluted, it costs $1.40 a gallon. And it does an incredible job of cleaning. Just as good, if not better, than 30-second outdoor cleaner. Now I take the garden sprayer and I spray down the surface of whatever it is I'm trying to clean. I let it stand for about 2-3 minutes. Then I come back over it with a garden hose and rinse it off. I also want to say it's always a good idea to just do a little small test in the corner of whatever it is that you're cleaning first. So you can make your own in about 10 seconds. Water, pool chlorine, just a little squirt of dish soap, and you are done. This is Leah saying you can do this.